Hi and welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at our brand new building at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be checking out this 2020 Honda CR-V Touring. Power for this Touring comes from an economical 1.5 litre 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. On the side, we've got color-matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals and a deep tint rear privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo. This SUV features a panoramic roof, heated seats in both the front and the back, and premium leather interior. Around front, we've got fog lights, our blacked out grille, and the chrome trim with chrome Honda badging. It is riding on 18-inch alloy wheels and it has a whole ton of features inside. So let's hop in and we will check it out. One thing I do love about this Honda is we do have the factory installed remote start right here on the key fob. And taking a look inside, we've got this really nice black leather interior in absolutely new condition. Looking up top, you can see our panoramic sunroof up there that is power tilt and slide as well. Coming around to the back, we've got seating for 3 and a pull down center console. And these back seats do have the heat control right there on the door handle, and we do have 2 USB ports and the rear air vents to keep your passengers toasty warm or cool depending on the weather. Opening up the door, on this side we have our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors, and right there is our memory settings for the power driver's seat. This SUV also has a power passenger seat. Over here we've got our lane departure alert, window wiper blade de-icer, our power liftgate, forward collision alert, and traction control. And hopping inside and checking out the steering wheel. On this side we have our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling, as well as some different information you can access up on your dash. And on this side we've got our heated steering wheel and our adaptive cruise control. Now this Honda is a push button start. You just put your foot on the brake, hit the button, and you're good to go. Checking out the dash up here, by using these steering wheel audio controls, as I was saying, we can go through a bunch of different options and information about your vehicle, which you can customize to suit your needs. Okay, moving on over to the central dash, we've got an AM/FM stereo with satellite radio that does come with a 3-month free subscription, as well as Bluetooth and auxiliary power inputs. This also has a full navigation system with a really cool map. And if we go to home here, there is a whole ton of different options that we can access there as well to set your car up as you like it. Right down here we've got our dual zone climate control with air conditioning and our front heated seat controls as well. We've got our brake hold and our parking brake right there, and our auto stop start and eco mode there. We also have 2 USB plugins down here, plus the wireless charging pad, which is really handy. And we've got a whole bunch of different storage areas up here and cup holders. And down there is our locking glove box. Right up here, we've got our controls for our panoramic roof. And we'll just swing around and take a look at the back from the front. We've got a whole ton of room back there. It is going to be very comfortable, even if you have 3 full-size adults. So let's hop out and we will check out the back and the cargo space. Hopping around to the back and looking up, we can see our silver roof rails, and we've got that rear window wiper blade, which is also very handy. Our CR-V all-wheel drive and touring badging down there. We do have a trailer hitch, and to get into your trunk, we just want to hold down the trunk button on your remote and boom, it'll open it up for you. No hands involved. We've got some pretty decent cargo space here with the privacy cover there to protect your cargo, and we have the all-weather rubber matting there as well to protect your upholstery. Underneath that, you're going to find your spare tire and any tools that you would need if you found yourself in that situation. To close it up, we just want to press the button, and this is a height adjustable power liftgate too, so you can set it to open to whatever height you want. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this beautiful 2020 Honda CR-V Touring Edition SUV. If you would like to check it out for yourself or even take it for a spin, come on down to 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC. Or if you just want some more details, you can give us a call and one of our incredible product advisors would be more than happy to talk to you, or you can find us online at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details on this car or to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. We hope everybody's doing awesome on this beautiful sunny day as we head into spring. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.